So today was an interesting day. I was actually in the showroom and I come across this client. His name's Andrew. He's like, ever since I was a kid, like I've always wanted to build this, you know, body drop truck, and I wanted you to build it. I wanted to tell you that my dad knew your grandfather. And it was like one of these things where he always wanted me and you to meet. And so here I am, I have this build, I'm really excited that I'm about to drop it off, and it's a Chevy truck and I want it airbagged and body dropped. I really felt it was special, you know. One, we build tons of different things here at the shop, and I feel one of the things we don't do is back to the beginning of where I started with mini trucks and airbags and body drops and all this stuff. So I feel this build's really gonna bring some new life into the shop. Since Andrew's here, he drove all the way up here, it's time to sit down and go over a design. Yeah, I wanna do this one different. Okay. You know, back in the day, you know, we would just cut out the floor, body drop the truck, build the airbags, you know, suspension into it and do all that. I think with this one, we'll do it a little bit more modern, new school, but still old school. Right? Yeah. So he wants chrome. Chrome, absolutely. Yeah, everybody looks at me crazy. Okay, I only need to get chrome wheels. Like every car I've had, I've always put chrome on it. They're like, "Why are you doing chrome wheels?" You want to get rid of all the badges too, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so we'll debadge it.
Debadge it.
Chrome 26s. What do you think?
It does. It looks nice.
Or do you want to just stick all chrome?
But I do like when it's chrome too, because it has the mirror look.
Yeah. 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 Just do them all chrome.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I like the chrome. Mirror finish.
Yeah. I mean, I always think white with chrome looks just clean.
It does.
Yeah. Clean, simple, and just slammed. The design is done. Now it's time to get it in the shop, get it broken down so we can cut this truck up. A body drop. A lot of people don't really know what it consists of. When I started the company, those were like one of the first big builds I ever did was a body drop for my friend Alex, where you literally cut the floor out of the entire truck, you raise it up as low as you're trying to do. So most of the time, you're lowering the body down to be even with the frame. So when the frame is sitting on the ground, the actual body's sitting on the ground with it. With this build, it's a little bit different. We're gonna get a custom chassis built, so we don't have to raise the floor in the cab, so you're gonna have the cab space still. Back in the day, when you raised that floor up, you lose that headroom. With this one, it's gonna be flat on the ground.
So now we are ready to put the body on the rotisserie. We can start trimming the pinch weld underneath the rocker. We have a brand new Acme frame. It's gonna be bagged, as you can see. I already installed the first suspension with the uniball rack and pinion. Bags are already on. We have a right deck, shocks, adjustable on the front. And on the back, still assembled, it's gonna be 3-linker with honey lever suspension on the back. I already installed the bi-air compressor, and we have an aluminum air tank. That's the space for the fuel cell that's gonna be here. We're gonna sit on top a 2022 Silverado body, and gonna cut the floor and make that shit stay on the floor. Alright guys, today I'm working on the wheel stub of the truck. Let me show you how it's gonna look like.
now that all the fabrication is done, it's time to get the truck back together so we can start on the air ride.
This beauty is on airlift suspension management. It's already body dropped from West Coast Customs. This is the air management, so airlift performance and wiring, hoses. So right here has the full build frame for body drop. It's amazing work that these guys do already. So I'm here to do the rest.
Como pueden ver, aquí tenemos la troca, lo que es Silverado. Ya lo tengo todo listo, ya listo para tirar el wrapping. El carro es color blanco, pero vamos a poner otro color, lo que es un color blanco perla. Y ya cuando le pegue el sol, se va a ver bien cool. West Coast Custom.
All right, so the truck is done. It's been a long time. I know Andrew's excited to see it. He's on his way. I'm about to go surprise him.
Let's go see your truck.
Shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Holy goddamn! Holy shit! Oh man! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Holy shit, Ryan!
It looks good.
Oh my god! Damn!
When you look at a body drop truck, normally the floor's raised up and you gotta sit in it, you barely fit.
Well, look at this.
Oh my
This is what
man.
made me feel really good. Because this is the way a body drop should be.
Oh yes, Ryan. Oh
Look at
man.
that. Like you can sit in it
Oh,
and it's
God.
exactly the same as factory.
Absolutely. You knocked this shit out the park, brother, like you always do.
This brings it back,
Brother.
right?
Oh man. Pops, this is for you, man. I'm getting sitting because I'm thinking of my dad.
It's beautiful.
Oh, it is. This is more than a surprise, brother. This is a dreams come true. Ryan knocked it out of the park. Unbelievable build. Just can't believe how this thing turned out. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. It's beautiful. You want something done right, you got to bring it to Ryan.